Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install DirectX 12 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. There are two different ways to install DirectX 12, so let's go through both methods. Method 1. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left side, select Windows Update, then click Check for updates. Most DirectX updates are included directly in official Windows updates, so as long as your PC is fully up to date, you should already have the latest version of DirectX installed. Check your current DirectX version to check which version you're currently using. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Type DXDIAG and press Enter. Click Yes when prompted. In the System Information section, look at the bottom of the window to see your DirectX version. If it says DirectX 12, then it's already installed. If it says DirectX 11, you'll need to install DirectX 12 manually. Method 2. Open your internet browser. In the search bar, type DirectX Web Installer and press Enter. Click the top result from Microsoft.com, which is the end-user runtime web installer. Scroll down and click Download. Once the file finishes downloading, open the installer. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Uncheck the option to install the Bing bar, then click Next again. Wait a few seconds while DirectX installs on your computer. Once the installation is finished, close the installer. Confirm DirectX 12 installation. Open Run again from the Start menu. Type DXDIAG and press Enter. Check the DirectX version at the bottom of the window to confirm it now shows DirectX 12. And that's it. DirectX 12 should now be installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.